open up the settings app on your iPhone and tap on battery, and then you're going to scroll down and tap on battery health. Now, this isn't the actual battery capacity. I'm going to show you how to check the real battery health, not this one. To be able to do that, we're going to hop out of here and open up a web browser. And on here, we're just going to type in iPhone battery shortcut. Again, iPhone battery shortcut. And let's go to payitforward.com. And on here, all we need to do is scroll down until we find battery stats shortcut and just tap on that. Now, the nice thing is this is a battery stats shortcut that we can just hit add to shortcut. And then in my case, I'm going to hit replace. After I've done that and added that, all I need to do to check the real health is to go back into my settings. And I'm going to go back to the beginning. And from here, scroll down, tap on privacy and security. And then I'm going to scroll down until I get to analytics and improvements, and then analytics data. Now just tap on the most recent analytics with a date next to it. Tap on the share icon at the top right. And now from here, we'll tap view more, and we're going to tap on battery stats. You'll be able to see it pops up with the actual battery capacity, and the real battery health in my case is 87.71%.